my favorite clothes is polo sweater. Uh, I still remember uh, the sweater first that I had. Uh, it is a gift that my mother bought to me on my birthday. At that time, I just 3 years old. It is blue color, one of the color that I love. I very happy when I wear it. It is so comfortable and wonderful. It helped my party look more tall and well proportional. pro- Well proportionate. My friends had a lot of questions about it. Uh, that proof the sweater make people feel very like, very like. Besides, I love polo sweater because it look young and beauty. Wiggy so much with younger, especially it gadgets. Uh, it it bring it it bring grateful fashion, wearable wearable fashion with each trend of era. That is reason that is reason that I love polo sweater.